Did you know that you can make $500 a day from just using your phone? If you're sick of looking at your phone every day and want to start doing something productive, you've come to the perfect spot. In this video, we'll talk about the top 10 side hustles that you can do to make $500 a day by just using your phone. So get your ball pen and notebook and start listing down as I start the video. Side hustle number 10 is renting out your possessions. In Airbnb, you can rent out your extra room in your house. You can put it up for rent on Airbnb and make an extra $1,000 every month. You may rent your car on Turo.com if you drive it just a few times a week, or not at all since you do remote work like the majority of us in this pandemic. Also, if you have an extra bike that you're not using, you can post it in Spinlister.com. You can also put that on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist, and there's a site called Llama.com where you can rent out your gear or camera equipment. You can rent out items that aren't listed on any of these sites. You may also build your own website to rent out your own gym equipment, pretty expensive drone equipment, incredibly expensive music equipment, and sewing machines. There are also local applications I would recommend searching out if you want to rent out items in your city. And I'm sure there are markets out there I'm not aware of where you can start renting things out from anywhere in the world. Side hustle number 9, Uber and Lyft. Uber and Lyft, if you haven't heard of them, are ride-sharing services that have surged in popularity over the last 5 years. They have operated in a rather simple manner. The passengers download a smartphone app that allows them to order a ride. They can identify the location for the driver thanks to the GPS in their smartphone. The driver has an app that notifies him when a rider in his area requires assistance. That's just how it is. Side hustle number 8, buying items and reselling them. Purchase items from Costco and Walmart, then resell them on Amazon for a higher profit. A seller app for Amazon is available, so if you shop at Costco, Walmart, Sam's Club, or whatever local stores you visit, you can check pricing right from your phone. And if there's a big difference between what you're paying for a discount or a local item and what it's selling for on Amazon, you can post it right away and start making money. Side hustle number 7, Field Agent. Field Agent app allows you to assist large brands and merchants with in-store audits or pricing checks. So you open the app and it tells you which store to visit. Then, when you get there, all you have to do is take pictures and upload them to the app to get paid. Now, companies pay for this service because they want to ensure their product is appropriately exhibited and priced. You could ride your bike, get some nice exercise, and get paid at the same time. This is an excellent service. If you're already traveling to these sites, it could be worth getting the app. Side hustle number 6, Airbnb experiences with a little bit of creativity. People may, for example, attend an Italian home cooking lesson in New York or have a spectacular kimono shoot in Tokyo. So George, who devised an Airbnb experience to take guests around the neighborhood for $20 per person. The number of individuals that come up varies, but if 5 people show up, it's an easy $100 each tour. Do practice runs with your pals using Airbnb experiences. This will help you acquire more reviews and higher rankings, which will lead to more clients via Airbnb experiences. Side hustle number 5 is becoming a freelance food delivery person in Uber Eats, DoorDash, or Postmates. In 2021, the online food delivery market will be valued at more than $100 billion, and it's something that a lot of people are doing as a side job. Perhaps you're retired, or perhaps you simply want to meet new people. Perhaps you'd like to take a drive around your city. And you answer, no, maybe, I don't have a car. Okay, I got one more. You may also walk, use a scooter, or ride a bike. Essentially, you're getting paid to exercise. Isn't that incredible? Side hustle number 4. If you love animals and are an excellent pet caretaker, you will get paid to spend time with them. It's quite cool. You may give these to people walking their pets in the park in your neighborhood. You may just leave them in apartment buildings. Those people are probably looking for assistance putting their pets out during the day. At number 3 is user testing. A big company called AppSumo is constantly searching for individuals to test their website or app. Now, you can join up for user testing and get paid to test other people's products. This is a billion-dollar business of people conducting customer or product research. User testing may pay you anywhere from $4 to $120 each test, depending on the type of test you take. A 5-minute exam can pay $4, while a 90-minute test can pay $100. Now, for some of you underdogs that want to establish your own business, this is a great method to be paid to conduct market research and learn what kinds of topics and issues firms are interested in. Consider what sort of problem the app you're testing is attempting to address, and see if you can do it any better or simply observe the types of questions they're asking. As a result, when you start your own firm, you may learn about your own market research concept. Side hustle number 2 is starting a consulting business. So, if you work during the day, you presumably have some expertise that may be useful to someone else. Believe it or not, there are some people that want to pay for your expertise. Your expertise. There are people who will pay you over $50 to $100 just for your advice, your expertise. Every single person has something that others will benefit from. Side hustle number 1, content creation. We've saved the best until last. This has to be the most powerful method. You can earn money by building a presence online. There are people who have created huge YouTube channels by making short videos just from their phone. There are countless examples of content creators going big. Check out Mr. Beast, PewDiePie, Mr. Who's the Boss. They all came from nothing and made it big. There are tons of side hustles that you can do, and some of them are not even on this list and just waiting for you to be discovered. If you want to start your own side hustle and start to expand your income, there are some videos marked below. Get in touch and we'll get things moving. If you want to change your life, you need to make a change. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you subscribe and turn on the notifications bell. Thank you for sticking with me all the way to the end. Take care, stay safe, and I will catch up with you soon.